that the fact that you said some things we're still using that are part of the grid that are 100 years ago, like how can we it be upgraded, or do we need like we do with phones to just get rid of them and start with something new?
No, I think that there are a lot of ways to make better use of the existing grid. So are these things called grid enhancing technologies or GETs that are used to enable us to send more power through existing transmission lines or to other technologies available to us might help us monitor power lines and transformers that exist right now better so that we don't overload or overuse them. Those are all solutions in the space, but there are things absolutely like some of those nearly 100-year-old transformers that just do need to be fully replaced and swapped out for something new. And the people who are at utilities know these things. They know their infrastructure. They know the things need to be replaced. It is just this dynamic that we as a society established over how utilities are regulated and exist that makes this a particularly challenging to execute
Okay.
on.